Welcome to my Ipsy subscription where it's $10 a month with free shipping. Let's get started. The first thing that I got is this card. It's for May 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. Keep your head in the clouds and walk barefoot in the grass. Believe in the power of lipstick, but know that your glow comes within. And this is the card. This is the back of it that tells you to head over to the website, and inside it says build your dream bag every month on the 2nd at 9 p.m. Eastern. You will get a chance for an add-on, and the card here says don't give up on your daydreams. Glam Bag Plus is finally here. The first thing is this cute glittery bag, and it has the black word here that says Ipsy, and it has a little tassel at the top, and the back is glittery. Let's get started. The first thing that I got was this tiny little bottle that says Laboratories Filorga. Can't pronounce it. It's from Paris. It says Filorga Time Filler. Cream absorbent correction rides for wrinkle correction, and it is a 7 milliliter. And let's see, it says it's made in France, so it's like this tiny little bottle. It's pretty cute. The second thing that I got was this. It is REP. It is bio fresh mask with real calming herbs. It said formulated without any major parabens, sorbic acids, and let's see, it's made in Korea. And let's go back to the front if I can find it. It doesn't say. Let's go to the back. The back says it is a 0.70 fluid ounces. The net weight is 20 grams. And it's a wash-off mask with natural herbs. The next item that I got was, don't let it roll away, is this Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask. And it is a 0.67 fluid ounces, which is a 20 milliliter net weight. And let's see, where is it made? I believe it's made in Korea. Yes, it says it's made in Korea. It's pretty awesome. The next item that I got was this. It's called Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. It is a net weight of 0.1 ounce, which is 3 grams. The back of it, if it'll focus, it says Radiant Glow Highlighter, 24K Magic. Get glowing. Our ultra fine, high impact formula will pop on favorite features. So let me see if I can open it up for you, if it's not too difficult. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like this is the packaging on the outside. See, it has that, and it tells you that it's a highlighter. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. On the inside, it looks like that. It's very shimmery and really pretty, like a soft, like almost like a rose color kind of almost. And yeah, the next item that I got, and it's the last item, was this one. The packaging looks really cute. It has this design here, and if you can see, it says Hola Neon, and right here it says a wet liquid lipstick, matte, long lasting, and moisturizing. Ooh. And on here it says free of parabens, gluten, PHTHALATES, never tested on animals, And let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's on this color. You can see the words. It's FOMO. FOMO? I don't know what FOMO is. Let's see what it looks like. Let me open up the packaging. Oh, I had to show you this, everybody. Look at this. It's got little eyes on one side. It's so cute. And then inside it says, "Hola, babe." And let's see what it looks like on the inside as I pull it out, because it's very difficult. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at that packaging. It's like got a fake gold at the top. It says Hola Neon. And it's a velvet lipstick. Oh my god, this color looks so pretty. Now, when it said that it's a matte, long-lasting moisturizing, that's pretty cool. Well, thank you for watching my channel. Give it a smashing thumbs up, like and subscribe, and if there's anything you got in your video, please tell me in the descriptions below. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's free shipping.